In this video, we're going to remove some old wax. Hey everyone, Matt here at Total Package Detailing. Currently working on this BMW Z4. This is a 2003. Look how good we've gotten this paint to look. I mean, you can literally see every single reflection on it. Now, I'm going to talk about this. See that? Let's see if I can catch that. See that wax residue inside of there? I've already tried little sticks and stuff, and that's not going to get it out. So what we're going to have to do is take the steamer and steam that out. Check it out. So I've got my steam jet here. This is coming out at 300 degrees. And let's get right in there. As you can see, we're literally burning that old wax out of there. And then while we're at it, we're going to go around the emblem here and inside of these guys too. And now it's squeaky clean. Look at that. Well, a little bit more actually. That part right there might actually be a chip in the paint or something, but that other one down on the side here is all gone now. And as always, if you want to get something done, you know where to call us at, 920-450-2085, or visit us online at www.totalpackagedetailing.com.